This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, everyone knows, well, mostly everybody knows that the SEC had until today to file their motion against XRP in the appeal process. And if they didn't file the motion by today, the courts was going to drop the lawsuit. Okay? And here's the thing. They waited till after the markets closed, and they electronically filed the motion to sue XRP in order to continue suppressing XRP coin. And I'm going to tell you guys something, and this is just my opinion. I think that somebody must be either sponsoring Gary Gensler very, very well to get him to be engaging in this type of activity right before he gets kicked out and a pro crypto person is put in charge of the SEC. I mean, more than likely, and this is just my opinion, more than likely, the next head of the SEC after the 20th is going to ask the courts to dismiss the case. And Gary Gensler knows this, but he pushed it anyway. 5 days before Trump is supposed to be inaugurated. Either he's trying to create as much havoc, as much problems as he can before he leaves, or he's being compensated to do this nonsense. I mean, it makes absolutely no sense to me whatsoever. You wanted to stifle XRP to stop it from running, and after it was filed, XRP came back down. It's starting to find its footing again, but the filing of this motion caused XRP to drop, in my opinion. The bottom line is this. Trump is going to appoint a pro-crypto head of the SEC. So it's like a 90% chance they're going to ask the courts to dismiss this lawsuit. And Gary Gensler is fully aware of that, and he did it anyway. He could have just stayed silent and let the case be dismissed, but he didn't. Okay? Gary Gensler's SEC always finds research and time to go after things that's important to them and the naked shorters and the banks. But when it comes to protecting retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, they never have time, they never have resources. And this right here is another example of that. If you think Gary Gensler had the power to do something right before he was kicked out of office to help retail investors, do you think he would have done it? He would not have done it. He would have said, leave it for the other administration, if anything at all. But to do something to harm retail investors, to do something to help the banks, to do something to help the naked shorters, he has no problem doing that right before he leaves office. It's absolutely crazy to me, and it's unacceptable, in my opinion. I don't understand why he would be doing that unless he's being compensated or he's just a petty person who wants to create havoc before he leaves office. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think Gary Gensler would be pushing this XRP lawsuit 5 days before Trump's inauguration? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.